Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you that C2C shawl, triangle shawl. It's so easy and fast crocheting technique. I think you know that because it's so popular now and before. We finished our shawl with that row and we add that two sides this border that's similar to that. Hope you like it. I give all the details in the video. You can make it easily and so fast. It's not take your a lot time. You can find that written pattern as soon as possible in Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi, my shop name. Hope you like this tutorial and you will crochet that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our C2C triangle shawl. It's reversible, you can see that. Let's start to crochet. I use in my shawl papaya cake yarn. Its color is 215 and it's 150 grams, 5.30 ounces, 540 meters, 590 yards, 100% of premium acrylic. You can wash it in 30 degrees, not directly ironing, okay, with steam ironing, not put in the dry machine, and they recommend us using 4mm hook. Also I used 4mm hook in that yarn and I use only one ball yarn. First of all, make a slip knot, then chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yarn over twice, turn back and 1, 2, 3, 4 skip, insert into the fifth one, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Make a treble. Yarn over twice, insert into the next one, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over twice and insert the last stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 4 treble. Then again chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, 3 and 4, insert the fifth one and do the same thing again. Make a triple, then make one more and make one more. Now that's the point of our shawl. We will turn back that first square like that, and our first chain part is here. Insert into here and join with a slip stitch. Then chain 4, count as the first triple, yarn over twice and make here 3 more triple, 1, 2, 3. This is third one and this is fourth one. We increase 1 square to the 2. Now we start to make third row. Start with chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yarn over twice and skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert into the fifth one and make a triple, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, insert into the next one. And make a triple, yarn over twice and insert into last stitch, make a triple. Now that's the point of our C2C shawl, is that we turn back that group and always work with the chain part. Insert my hook here, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Then do the same and chain 4, count as the first treble, yarn over twice and make 3 more treble. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice. This is second one and this is third one. With the first chain 4 we have 4 treble. Then come to the second and insert here and join with a slip stitch again. Make it loosey, okay. Then chain 4 again, yarn over twice and make here 3 more treble. And this is the last one. So we increase that 1, 2 and 3 square. Chain 7, we start the fourth round. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over twice and 1, 2, 3, 4 skip, insert the fifth one. Make a treble. Count as the first treble, that chain 4, yarn over twice, insert the next stitch and make a treble. Yarn over twice and insert the last stitch, make a treble. Now do the same thing, turn that group like that and come to the chain space, insert my hook, grab the yarn and join with a slip stitch. Then chain 4, count as the first treble, yarn over twice and make here 1, 2 and 3 more triples. With chain 4, 4 treble. Then come to the next chain 4, grab the yarn and join with a slip stitch and chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. First treble is that, this is second one, this is third one and this is fourth one. Then come to the last chain part, join with a slip stitch, chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice and make 3 more treble. 1, 2 and 3. With the first chain 4, 4 treble. 1, 2, 3 square, 4 square. Now we are on the 5th row. I want to show you one more time and it's so easy. Keep repeating always the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do that not triple, also double crochet. It's your choice. Okay. Yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3, 4 skip. Insert the 5th one. Grab the yarn. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice. Insert the next stitch. Make a treble again. Yarn over twice. Insert the last stitch. And make a treble. We made the first square. Now do the same thing. Turn that part and always work with the chain part. Insert my hook, that chain 4 previous row, grab the yarn and join with a slip stitch. Chain 4, count as a first triple, then make 3 more here. This is second one, this is third one, and this is fourth one. Come to the next square and insert into the chain part and make a slip stitch. Then chain 4 and make 3 triple more. Finish that, come to the next, insert the chain 4 space, chain 4 post actually, okay, insert here, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Join that squares together, then chain 4 and make 3 more treble. 1, 2 and 3. Totally 4 treble. Come to the last square, insert the chain 4 post and join with a slip stitch. Then chain 4, count as the first treble, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Also you can make 5 triple, 5 double, it's your choice again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's growing up like that. Start with chain 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, yarn over twice, skip 4, insert the 5th one, make the second treble, because we count that chains triple. Insert the next one, make a triple, insert the next one and make a triple. That's the point is the shawl. Take it and turn that to the back side and insert my hook that chain 4 post and join with a slip stitch, then chain 4, count as a first triple, then yarn over twice and make 3 more triple. Come to next square. First of all make a slip stitch and join that square to that square, then chain 4 and make 3 more triple, then slip stitch to the next chain 4, make triples, slip stitch here, make triples and the last slip stitch that chain 4, then chain 7 and turn back, make triple, then turn your work again and start with use only that chain 4 places. I complete my shawl and grow it up, then I will turn to you and show you and we will make the border. I finish and turn to you. I make my shawl more bigger. It's near to like a coal. It's 120 centimeter, the widest edge. I will finish my yarn. That's one ball of yarn, 150 grams. But if you want to make a shawl, you need 2 balls, nearly 300 grams. Okay, now we start to make to do these 2 sides border. We finish our widest edge like that. Of course, you make another border, but it's like that zigzag, so I want to make both of the 2 sides same as like that. I want to show you. We accept that we finished our shawl. Now we will start to make our border. Now I'm not turning like that because I crocheted that sides. Okay, that's triangle sides of my shawl. How can I do that? Chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over twice and insert my hook that the first stitch here. Okay, and make a treble. Yarn over twice, insert the same stitch, make 1 more treble, yarn over twice and make 1 more treble. Then come to the bottom of that space, grab the yarn and join with a slip stitch. I turn back that way. Then chain 4 again, yarn over twice, insert into same space, grab the yarn and make 3 more treble. 3. come to the next space here and join with a slip stitch. So every row we make that 4 groups zigzag. Okay, we make a slip stitch, after make chain 4 and make same space 3 more treble. 1, 2 and 3. Then skip that post, insert the next space, grab the yarn, join with a slip stitch. Same place, chain 4, yarn over twice, insert the same space and make 3 more treble. 1, 2, 3, totally 4. Come to the next space here. Insert and join with a slip stitch. Then chain 4 and make that space 3 more treble. Then come here and join with a slip stitch here. I complete that one side of triangle. When I come to the starting point center corner, I will turn to you. I come to our starting point of our shawl. This is the center corner. I will make the last shell here, insert into our starting chain point and make a slip stitch here. Then chain 4 again, yarn over and insert into same, yarn over twice of course, and make 3 more treble. 2, 3 and 4. Then for our easy turning, I insert into the same stitch and make a slip stitch. For only that corner point, I do that. Then come to the second side of that triangle, chain 4, yarn over twice, insert into the same and make 3 more treble. 2, 3 and the 4. Then come to the first space and join with a slip stitch. We turn to the other side. Then do the same thing. Chain 4, yarn over twice, insert the same space and make 3 more treble. Then insert your hook next space, skip that post. Every square you will insert their space. Grab the yarn and join with a slip stitch. Then keep crocheting chain 4 and in the same stitch make 3 more treble. 1, 2 and 3. Come to the next. I complete that and I will show you how it looks. I complete the both sides of that border and finish like that and join with a slip stitch the last stitch. Here are finishing row like that, and we put similar border on that 2 sides. I hope you like it. It's so easy and fast crocheting. You can do that easily. I believe that you like crochet that. It's reversible because you know we crochet that turning always. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.